Ginger is a spice with potential anti-inflammatory properties. The top health benefits of ginger may include its ability to help relieve nausea and pain, improve respiratory conditions, and reduce flatulence. Ginger also helps boost bone health, strengthen the immune system, and increase appetite. This spicy root is also good for mitigating obesity and relieving the pain related to menstrual disorders. What is ginger? Ginger, also known as Zingiber officinale, is a flowering plant whose root or rhizome is used as a spice. It can be consumed in many forms: fresh, dried, powdered, and in the form of oil and juice. Ginger is a common ingredient in Asian cuisines where it is used to build flavors in curries, dressings, and soups. It is also used in sweets and alcoholic beverages such as ginger cookies, ginger beer, and wine. Today, ginger is on the FDA's list of generally safe foods and is often used to mask the taste of bitter medicines such as cough syrups. Ginger nutrition. Most of the benefits derived from ginger are due to the presence of an active constituent called gingerol. According to the USDA Food Data Central, it is also rich in carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and protein. In terms of minerals, it has sodium, iron, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Its vitamins include vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, riboflavin, and niacin. There are many anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds like pantothenic acid, beta-carotene, capsaicin, curcumin, caffeic acid, and salicylate in it. Also, the presence of active compounds like shogal, zerumbone, terpenoids, flavonoids, pyridol, and zingerone in ginger provides many health benefits. Health benefits of ginger. While the traditional uses of ginger for better health are numerous, today we can easily add to it the multiple beneficial properties discovered and confirmed by research. May relieve nausea. The consumption of fresh ginger has been shown to be effective in alleviating various forms of nausea, including morning sickness, motion sickness, and chemotherapy side effects. This may be due to its ability to increase gastric motility and block serotonin receptors in the gut lining, which can help to silence the nerves that trigger the vomiting reflex. Although a study published in Nutrition Journal reveals that ginger may help in relieving nausea during pregnancy, but was not seen to be as effective in treating problems of vomiting. Significantly, it did not show any side effects, an important factor when treating pregnant women. Ginger is not recommended for use during pregnancy, especially for people close to labor, with a history of pregnancy loss or vaginal bleeding, or with clotting disorders. Its quick absorption and rapid regulation of body functions cure nausea in people who have undergone surgeries without any side effects. May aid in weight loss. Ginger presents a promising natural aid for weight management by targeting several biological pathways, including metabolism, appetite control, and systemic inflammation. Research indicates that specific ginger compounds, such as 6-shogal, 8-shogal, and zingerone, effectively decrease inflammation, which is a known driver of obesity and weight gain in both human and animal models. Furthermore, ginger has demonstrated the ability to boost metabolic rates. For example, studies involving rats have shown that supplementation significantly increases energy expenditure and fat burning. In human subjects, particularly those with overweight or obesity, ginger has been found to act as a natural appetite suppressant by reducing hunger and promoting a lasting sense of fullness. While these mechanisms, alongside ginger's ability to regulate blood sugar, suggest a strong potential for aiding weight loss, it is important to recognize that research is still in its early stages. Consequently, further long-term studies are necessary to fully confirm the safety and efficacy of using ginger as a primary tool for weight management. May treat cold and flu. This is traditionally used in many Asian countries against cold and flu. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that fresh ginger shows potential antiviral properties against respiratory tract infections. It can be used in the form of tea for providing relief to sore throat and coughing. May aid in digestion. Ginger finds a prominent mention in Chinese medicine as a facilitator of the digestive process. While many of its benefits are established part of traditional medicinal history, a review published in 2019 in the journal Food, Science and Nutrition asked for more human studies to understand effective dosage. The study, however, agreed that there was substantial anecdotal evidence backed by clinical trials. It is also frequently used as an appetizer or an aperitif since it can stimulate the appetite while preparing the digestive system for an influx of food. It works well as a carminative, thus helping with flatulence. May be remedial for stomach ulcers. Ginger may prevent the occurrence of ulcers, which are generally characterized by bleeding and acute gastric irritability. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help to reduce inflammation and kill the bacteria that cause ulcers. According to a study published in 2016 in the World Journal of Gastrointestinal Pharmacology and Therapeutics, it is very effective in inhibiting the growth of H. pylori bacteria, which is ulcerogenic, thus keeping your stomach healthy. May reduce arthritis pain. Ginger is known to boost bone health and relieve joint pain associated with arthritis. It may contain gingerol, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It can improve movement in osteoarthritis, knee inflammation, and rheumatoid arthritis, as cited in a study published in Arthritis and Rheumatism Journal. Along with that, it also suppresses the inflammatory compounds like cytokines and chemokines at the source before they begin to affect the body. If you're considering using ginger to treat osteoarthritis, it is important to talk to your doctor first. Ginger can interact with certain medications, and it is not suitable for everyone. May relieve asthma. Ginger has been used traditionally as a potential medicine to treat respiratory disorders. A study conducted in 2015 also seconded its potential anti-inflammatory properties. Zerumbone, an active compound, may help relieve asthma. Research shows that allergic airway inflammation is majorly caused by Th2 dominance, and the spicy root is successfully able to suppress it. Recent animal studies have shown ginger's active components, gingerol and shogal, may have the potential as a therapeutic option for asthma. More research is needed to confirm the safety and efficacy of ginger for the treatment of asthma in humans. May aid in liver protection. People suffering from tuberculosis can benefit from ginger, as it helps prevent hepatotoxicity. Animal studies show that it also protects against the liver-damaging cadmium poisoning caused due to the significant ingestion of cadmium. Its essential oil exerts a protective effect against the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease occurring because of obesity. May relieve muscle pain. Ginger is well known for reducing muscle pain and soreness caused due to exercising. The potentially anti-inflammatory properties of this root are to be credited for this benefit. The study points out that daily consumption of raw and heat-treated ginger resulted in moderate to large reductions in muscle pain following exercise-induced muscle injury. May help manage dysmenorrhea. Ginger may help reduce the levels of prostaglandins in the body. Hence, it aids in relieving cramps and other forms of discomfort and pain during menstruation. Scientists believe that high levels of prostaglandins contribute to increased menstrual cramps. These hormones function as chemical messengers, are the key activators of symptoms such as cramps, pains, and fevers. According to a report published in ISR in Obstetrics and Gynecology, it can also help to reduce the severity of mood and behavior during PMS. Might boost heart health. Ginger may protect cardiovascular health by lowering LDL cholesterol levels and increasing HDL cholesterol levels. A meta-analysis of 26 randomized controlled trials showed that ginger consumption could significantly improve total triglyceride, cholesterol, LDL, and HDL levels. The most effective dose was greater than 1,500 milligrams per day for more than 8 weeks. It may also reduce the risk of blood clotting, thereby helping regulate hypertension and keeping your heart healthy. May control diabetes. Ginger may help regulate the blood sugar levels in people suffering from type 2 diabetes. Glycemic and lipid abnormalities lead to long-term complications in diabetics, as per a research study published in the International Journal of Endocrinology Metabolism in 2017. Therefore, to improve your insulin resistance and control diabetes, consider adding this root to your diet. Another study published in the journal Complementary Therapies in Medicine in 2014 demonstrated daily consumption of 3 1-gram capsules of ginger powder for 8 weeks is useful for patients with type 2 diabetes. May improve dental health. Ginger is known to inhibit bacterial, viral, and fungal infections, owing to the presence of gingerol in it. It may also help in maintaining oral health by killing the pathogens in the mouth and keeping the teeth and gums intact. Its potential antibacterial properties may help ward off pathogenic bacteria that cause urinary tract infections, UTI, bronchitis. May alleviate diarrhea. It has been used since ancient times to help with diarrhea, since it may prevent stomach spasms and gas that contribute to and stimulate it. In China, the powdered form is given to those with diarrhea, and this traditional practice is followed for thousands of years. Scientists have concluded that these ancient treatments are indeed beneficial for this condition. May increase sexual activity. A known potential aphrodisiac, ginger was used in many cultures to arouse desire and enhance sexual activity. The book Ginger, a versatile healing herb, mentions the use of Ayurveda as an aphrodisiac. Its scent has a unique allure that helps in increasing fertility and establishing a sexual connection. This root also helps increase blood circulation. Uses of ginger. Fresh raw ginger root is a staple ingredient in Asian cuisines. It is used in curries, soups, rice, noodles, and stews. Pickled ginger is offered with sushi as a palate cleanser. Ginger garlic paste is used across cuisines. World over, it is also used to flavor beverages such as tea, specialty coffees, lemonades, cocktails, and even smoothies. Ginger cookies, candied ginger, and the gingerbread man are popular holiday favorites. Ginger tea. You can make tea by steeping grated ginger in boiled water. It is a natural cure for sore throat, coughs, and colds. Ginger juice and chews are other home remedies, often given to alleviate nausea and digestive problems. The IT is often used in herbal products such as soaps, shampoos, massage oils, and perfumes. Ginger tea recipe. One of the easiest and most beneficial ways to enjoy ginger is through homemade ginger tea, perfect for soothing nausea, colds, or digestion. Ingredients: 1 to 2 inches fresh ginger root, about 2 tablespoons sliced or grated, 2 cups water, optional, honey or lemon to taste for added flavor and benefits. Instructions: 1. Peel the ginger using a spoon to scrape skin and slice thinly or grate it. 2. Bring water to a boil in a saucepan. 3. Add ginger, reduce heat, and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, longer for stronger flavor. 4. Strain into a cup, add honey/lemon if desired, and enjoy hot. This refreshing tea can be consumed daily for its warming, health-promoting effects. While ginger is widely celebrated for its health benefits, it is important to be mindful of potential side effects and specific medical risks. Some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as heartburn, stomach upset, or diarrhea, while others may have allergic reactions characterized by hives, swelling, or difficulty breathing. Furthermore, ginger can exacerbate certain underlying health conditions. For instance, it may worsen acid reflux in sensitive individuals and, due to its ability to increase bile production, poses a risk to those with gallstone disease, who should consult a physician before use. Additionally, ginger possesses natural blood-thinning properties, meaning it should not be consumed in therapeutic amounts alongside aspirin or other anticoagulant medications to avoid interference with blood clotting. Special care must also be taken during pregnancy. Although it is a popular remedy for nausea, women with a history of miscarriage or those approaching their due date should seek professional medical guidance to ensure it is used safely and appropriately.